water.
Yes.
Then they allow you to watch Dr. Bbosa. How old are you, Dr. Bbosa?
So again, I'm a neighbor or some local.
Yeah. That's your question, yeah. Nakawunde. Vicky. Yeah.
What's the intro called? That's like what Paka get at it.
Oh, this is.
Ding, 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 ding,
before you watch
I know.
But congrats, you guys.
47 years.
47.
One number celebrating at 20.
Next year, 20 years. 20 years. None of you are going to celebrate. Now you're spicy. You know, Ebonies. Chamka. So next year, my birthday, I will celebrate 20 years too.
Wow.
What's it? What's the music? So I want to say, I actually feel very honored when my sister said, I don't even know how I'm seated here. I remember first day I saw Vicky in Boston. I work in here in a certain church. I come to perform, and she's an usher there.
In church?
In church, in Boston, Victoria Church.
Wow.
And the exact smile. Smile of Vicky and Nini. Yes, and I was like, because those are the days when I personally lost parents. And Ebonies, those guys look like, for me I could tell like, Vicky is my mother. So seeing her and Nakaunde, recently she visited the worship house, she's in London. I will never look at but they are serving God. I hope it will surprise us.
47 years of the Ebonies, we just...
You can imagine almost 5 decades.
Almost 5.
From that humble way of living, together, this.com era. So we are going to take you through that journey. You're ready to have and the theme for this celebration is the future of theatre. So, as we take you through Tubalaga Jotuava, you'll be able to see actually some of those icons about which say during that time, like the Nakawundes will be here, the Kwezi Kaganda, Inspector Oyeto team. Yes, we will be live on stage. We shall have Mushabiro, all those people that together to travel the journey industry. And up to today, future. That is why to cut it across, we've got all the artists. Tulina Bali, Abali Wabwe, Tulina Abali Wabo, Makati, Tulina Neba Jenny Z, Tulina Neba celebrities Aba Komisi Uganda, and so quick Abatwagate, quick Apasinda, the whole. So that is Kati nenga content movie what we saga to spoil it for you people. But you just can imagine having all these people on stage and seeing them live. First of all, it's Chijakuba memories. Memories when I was celebrating 33 years in the industry, it so happened that the president came and was not blessing the occasion.
Your birthday?
Yes, he preached on that day.
You were when Ebonies was celebrating?
No, that was me now.
33?
Yes, 33 years.
The president came?
Yes, he did come. Kati, he preached before the president. and the president recognized him. Kati yagamba nti, I saw this guy when I was still young. And
he was young.
That's life matter, right? That is
yes.
That's life matter. So to kwegamba ekyo kiraga nti abantu bangi nnyo balaba that's life matter kakyali bato. So those memories tugenda kuzizuukusa zigenda kubanga zijja.
I'm going to interrupt
as you watch the show.
I'm going to interrupt you just briefly. Today, Chiboga. Was the play shot in Chiboga, or were you just like?
No, it was just like, you know, Muzanyo. Nemugamba nti
abantu bava Chiboga.
Kakati nga twagala okuteekawo that difference. Tulina omuwala empiki ali mu kibuga. Kakati tugenda okufuna omuwala nakawumbe nga tulina okunoonya ekyalo
n'ekiboga siwala.
By then, akati kiboga because the roads
back then it was really far.
By then it was far. It was far. Era ng'olabanga kyalo.
I'm trying to imagine singa omuzannyo gwo gwali stage sawa zo singa ab'ekibuga bali ku social media mutuveeko ngabe nasa nawe bekalakasa. I would imagine. But as a child growing up, I used to think, okay, Chiboga is so fights should be very, very remote. Well, I knew that's the picture you painted in the.
Yeah, oh yes.
Yeah.
So, you know, she encompasses abantu bangi nnyo audience yaffe ejja kubanga eri bulungi. Tulina abo abali mu biseera ebyo, tulina ba Gen Zs abaagala okumanya ebyaliwo mu biseera ebyo ne kumanya ekitumuvinze ekituteekinze on because Ebonies tugenda tutambulira n'omulembe just as she said tutambula n'omulembe nga bwe bagutambula tetukkiriza kusigala babega.
Okay.
Yes.
Before we give you any other detail, first of all, let's announce the guest of honor for the Ebonies celebration of 47 years. This is a person, Tamara Kanja. No. So this is actually very special. Do the honors, Dr. Bbosa.
Oyo abamama waffe bandi okutereera bulungi ne mwogera. Our guest of honor will be the Nabagereka, Sylvia Najinda. Yasiimye okubaawo ng'abiri mu Serena wano nga tucelebratinga emyaka namusanvu 47 years nga tuli mu nsiike eya entertainment. Tumwebaza nnyo.
Mama Nabagereka tumuwa obugalo. Abaganda n'ensiike. Tusiimye nnyo ddala. Naye ndabyeko Ssaabasajja naye yakyalirako.
Oh yes. Bwe twali tugulawo theatre amaka gaffe theatre Labonita.
Yes.
Ssaabasajja yasiima n'ajja n'agagulawo. Yes.
Okay, so Church T you're going to be amidst royals. You're going to be amidst royalty. 150.
And the table is 3
and 5. So Kumineta, no?
Anyway, first of all, thank you, Douglas. This opportunity. Quickly before I answer your question, whenever is a new one, for putting you on this panel, I don't know why, but I'm here. Number 2, for our church, there is a machine you try to know to run the screens at the same time, which is some complicated machine. And Mr. Katende and the Ebonies gave it to the church for free.
Wow.
So when the technology we want to buy it is Mr. Katende. So, number 3, I want to say thank you, Dad, over in your companies. First thing in that way, Papa Pate, Sabino Kubantu, briefly, allow me to use your stage. I see a lot of camera here. Last Friday, tried to get car wash night, and we invited people. We got really very nervous. TikTokers, you guys were helping me, social media guys, stars, and over 22,000 people came. I want to try to be more community. I see now in Nabazanyi, I can't get camera. So let me answer your question. It's so much about the Sunday church, the Ebonies. You guys, I hear you coming. Please, you're not very more Zoom.
The value of Thanksgiving. 47 to our members celebrating at 10 years, 15 years.
It's so biblically, and in Uganda, bagambe kati okusima kugenderera abantu babika bibiri. First of all, osima Katonda. Ke kayimba gange enjagala bayimbiramu Katonda yawadde mweneso. Tuyimbiramu Ebonies Katonda yawadde mwenesonga. Kaka odoka Katonda yawadde mwenesonga. Kana base. Kaka mudokta Katonda yawadde mwenesonga. Katonda yawadde mwenesonga. Ulira base. Katonda yawadde mwenesonga. Katonda yawadde mwenesonga.
Kamyoyo. Sport is a talent. So let him microphone. Tell us about yourself.
Okay, my name is Jjenvude.
For some reason, Katonda in the Bible he used numbers. Yakozesa number 3 for his reason. Like Jonah was 3 days in the grave, Jesus 3 days in the grave. Yakozesa number 3. Then yakozesa number 40. Now yakozesa number 7. So simanyi mwami Katende yalowozeza ati yakoze 3 years to 50.
Yes.
Maybe they would have waited. Naye mbadde bakakirwa kitebalize njiwera ddala taata. Ngenda okukebera bibirikale nga 40 is divine and 7 is divine. So literally you are not dying, you are starting.
Wow.
New chapter bibirikale kasepayo Yesu yawonya abagenge 10. Actually kafefena 10 lepers were healed. That's the famous Bible story in Luke 17. Only one returned to say thank you. Jesus says to him, were you not 10? In other words, were you not many groups that started acting and and why is it only you that has returned to say thank you? Kakati Yesu nagambo mwenda kuliwa. So mwena baliwa Katonda lera tusobira to go back and say thank you, because things start and things die. 1, 2, 20, 30, 40, 47. Actually, Kai yanda Yesu yamugamba kukomyewo okwebaza wonera ddala. Total healing comes after Thanksgiving. So, bwebaza abantu babiri abasinga osanyuka. God, who has sustained you, Banko Dick, Balonera Banko Dick, Mane Msikatsa Mate. People who died. Recently, President Museveni has Bali Bbosa and Mugabe. Yeah. No, like they were Thanksgiving. It is God. So okwebaza Katonda yagenda okusinga okusanyukira Ebonies.
All right.
I will get more 47 years.
Thank you so much, Pastor.